Violence against women, domestic abuse and sexual violence is a significant issue in society. There will be 3 children in every classroom who are affected by child sexual abuse. There are 117 crimes reported every hour in England and Wales. 2 women a week dying from domestic abuse.
The Violence Against Women, Domestic Abuse and Sexual Violence Research Network's work is really important, and the whole purpose of it was to bring together both academics, people from practice, as well as victim survivors and policy. What's been really valuable is our bottoms-up approach, engaging and hearing from and listening from victim and survivors and linking that back to policy.
Eradicating violence against women and girls, domestic abuse and sexual violence is everybody's collective responsibility. The public health approach is central to what we do, and that really relies on having a robust evidence base. And so being able to work with the VAWDASV Research Network really informs that.
I think we are really fortunate to have people from our academic community that demonstrate such long-term commitment to addressing VAWDASV, and I think their passion and personal commitment for that is the thing that drives it.
The network, as a joined up and connected system which enables different people to work together, has enabled us to do some things that we really wouldn't otherwise have been able to do. There is always going to be more demand than can be met. There are always waiting lists for survivors who need to access support. And to come together means that we've really been able to do that couldn't have happened in any other way. As a university, it is our job and our responsibility to be thinking about what are the challenges we face in a society and how can our work help to address them as researchers. And it's really come as a delightful surprise that we have been able to bring so many people together, and so many people have seen the value of research-led and research-informed practice, policy and service.